The R6 Retro electric bike boasts a powerful 1,500-watt brushless motor, enabling it to achieve speeds up to 28 miles per hour, making it ideal for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. With its full suspension system and 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires, this bike offers a smooth and comfortable ride, effectively absorbing road bumps and vibrations. The vintage frame design not only adds a touch of style, but also incorporates safety features like turn signals and powerful disc brakes for enhanced control. Featuring 4 distinct riding modes, along with a walk assist mode, the intelligent LCD display allows riders to customize their electric assistance level or ride manually for exercise. The removable 48-volt, 13-ampere-hour battery ensures an impressive maximum range of 75 miles, while charging fully in just 4 to 5 hours. 80% pre-assembled, the bike comes with instructional videos and dedicated customer support to ensure a stress-free setup and ownership experience.